Assalamualaikum and greetings. So today we are going to present about our innovation, which is called Dripal. So before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Ahmad Ali bin Anwar.
My name is Muhammad Syakir Haikal bin Muhammad Sabri.
My name is Aila Dali binti Muhammad.
My name is Nurul Hamisa binti Nizam.
Alright, so without further ado, let's begin.
Hello everyone, today I am excited to introduce Dripal, an innovative learning platform designed to tackle one of the most challenging topics in accounting. Chapter 6, Financial Statement Analysis, with a specific focus on financial ledger. The motivation behind this project comes from a common struggle, which is students often feel overwhelmed by a high volume of formulas they need to memorize, and more importantly, they find it difficult to interpret those results. Inspired by our head of academic excellence, we developed a specialized Google site that transforms passive reading into active reading. Why do we need Dripal? These problems are clear. Students are faced significant hurdles in financial statement analysis. The root cause are twofold. First, the sheer of number of formulas is daunting, and second, the complexity of interpreting the ratio actually made for a business. These challenges act as a catalyst for our innovation, driving us to create a solution that simplifies the learning process.
To ensure we stay on track, we follow the SMART framework. S stands for specific, focuses specifically on subtopic 6.2, financial ratios and the use of the Dripal Google site. M stands for measurable, aiming for a grade A in Business Management 1 as evidenced by student results. A stands for achievable, proven by testimonials and the success of students without a prior business background. R stands for relevant, directly addresses the problem of complete formula memorization and interpretation faced by matriculation students. And lastly, T stands for time bound. Target completion and success are set for the PSPM1 examination period. Our innovation is proudly aligned with SDG 4, Quality Education, which aims to ensure inclusive, equitable, and quality learning for everyone. Our innovation addresses a common challenge faced by matriculation students, memorizing and interpreting complex financial ratios formulas, which often affects their academic performance. This problem is critical because financial ratio analysis is a core topic in business management, especially for students with no prior business background. To solve this innovation provides a free, interactive digital learning platform with mind maps, formula tables, videos, and quizzes that students can access anytime, anywhere. By making learning more accessible, engaging, and effective, our innovation empowers every student to succeed and directly advances SDG 4 quality education.
This is why we created Dripal. When facing difficulties in learning Chapter 6, the head of academic excellence decided to create a platform, namely a Google site, to overcome this problem. So the way we created this Dripal is by using the PDCA approach, which is plan, do, check, and act. So for stage plan, we identified students struggles with Chapter 6 formulas and interpretation, and we designed a digital intervention to improve understanding in subtopic 6.2. For stage do, we developed and launched the Dripal Google site. We also integrated mind maps, formula tables, and drill quizzes for active learning. Moreover, for stage check, we evaluated impact through student feedback and academic results. We also monitored engagement via platforms like WhatsApp and quizzes. Last, for stage app, we standardized Dripal as a preferred learning tool, proven effective for students with no prior business background to achieve A grades and 4.0 GPAs. As you can see here, these are the interface of Dripal Google site. First page, we have main menu, which consists of the introduction of Dripal. Next, we have the bubble maps, which consists all of the information that are in the subtopic 6.2. Next, we have the formula page, which we compile all the formulas in one page. Next, we also have the collection of questions for the students to do. And lastly, I also provided my contact information for the students whenever they have any questions regarding the subtopic 6.2, and they can directly contact me through WhatsApp or Telegram. And lastly, we also have a video which shows the overall interface of Dripal.
What makes Dripal a creative shift from traditional textbook-heavy learning? It is built for 4 pillars. First, a centralized ecosystem. We combine formulas, mind map, and quizzes in one location. Ubiquitous access. Students can learn 24 hours on any device, which can be a smartphone, PC, or tablet. Third, zero barrier learning. It is specifically designed to help even those without a business background master complex ratio. And lastly, active drilling. We move away from passive reading toward repetitive, high-impact practice via our drill quizzes.
Salam sejahtera, saya Lee Kuek Hui, merupakan Subject Matter Expert SME Pengurusan Perniagaan yang mempunyai pengalaman mengajar selama 18 tahun. Saya dapati inovasi Dripal ini sangat berkesan dan bolehlah memberi impak yang berkesan kepada para pelajar untuk meningkatkan prestasi pencapaian mereka. Terima kasih.
Next, let me highlight the overall impact of our innovation, Dripal. First, Drupal enhanced learning accessibility. Students can access learning materials anytime and anywhere, allowing continuous practice beyond the classroom. Second, Drupal cultivates a positive learning culture by making learning more engaging and enjoyable, especially for academic excellence members. Third, Drupal increases student engagement through its user-friendly platform and drill-based learning approach, replacing stressful memorization with interactive learning. Finally, improved academic result and positive user testimonial prove that Drupal effectively enhance student learning performance. This slide shows the individual impact of Drupal, which is me, an accounting student and member of the Academic Excellence Group, had no background in business subject during SPM. Through consistent use of Drupal and Quills, I improved my understanding of business management and successfully achieved an A in Business Management 1 during SPM 1. This shows how Drupal helps students overcome learning challenge and achieve academic success. Next, we look at the academic performance impact of Drupal. First, many students improve their grade and eventually achieve grade A in Business Management 1. Second, Drupal contribute of excellent GPA result, with some students achieve a GPA of 4.0. Third, continuous Drupal practice improves student understanding of key topics such as financial ratio. Overall, Drupal helps bridge knowledge gap and support students in achieving academic excellence.
Our business model canvas proves that Drupal is a sustainable and scalable innovation. Through strong partnerships, we deliver a free digital learning platform that simplifies financial ratios, improves academic performance, and has the potential to transform learning for matriculation students nationwide.
Now, moving on to the commercial potential of our project, we have 5 different aspects of commercialization. The first one is scalability. The Google Site framework is easily replicable across all matriculation college and adaptable for various accounting topics beyond Chapter 6. Next is cost efficiency. Built on a zero-cost digital model, which is Google Sites and Quizzes, making it a sustainable and budget-friendly institutional solution. Not only that, market value. The high demand from educational institutions looking to bridge the gap for students without prior business backgrounds. Other than that is intellectual capital. Includes a proprietary database of mind maps, formula tables, and localized drill quizzes tailored to the syllabus. And last but not least, proven results, validated by A-grade outcomes and a 4.0 PNGK, making it a results-driven marketable product.
In conclusion, Drupal is a transformative digital innovation that helps matriculation students overcome the challenge of financial statement analysis. By using a Google Sites platform, Drupal makes learning more accessible, effective, and time-saving, allowing students to practice anytime and anywhere. This innovation has also shown strong academic impact, where students, even those without a business background, were able to achieve excellent results, including A grades and a 4.0 GPA. Overall, Drupal creates a positive learning environment and helps students practice, understand, and master the syllabus more effectively. Remember, Drupal transforms learning from memorization into mastery.
That is all from us. Thank you.